Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Lachlan Ellsworth here. What I'd like to do is take you through the trading that was up for grabs on Friday, the 9th of October 2009, being the trading from tonight. Now, there's been a little bit of uncertainty out there in the market, ladies and gents, because the Chicago Mercantile Exchange actually unbatched some of the data that was fixing or fitting the tick charts. Now, as you know, I'm a passionate 55 tick chart trader. Having sought advice from our professional traders that run the trading rooms, they've actually come back and said very, very easy to fix. All we need to do is increase our tick count by 2.5. Now, as it turns out, 2.5 times 55 takes us very close to what is one of our other premier charts, being the 144 tick chart. Now, what I did last week is run a test since the change to find out whether the unbatching of the data has in fact had an impact on the trading. What in fact it has not had is an impact. Now you see here's the 144 from tonight's trading. Again, it is the 144 instead of the 55, using exactly the same volatility and trend rules. Let me take you through the trading, because as you'll see, even with the change, there has been some very, very good trading up for grabs. Now, first and foremost, down here on the left-hand side, we've actually got a standard buy signal, absolutely standard buy signal that occurred just as the market opened. Now, it occurred literally 2 seconds into the session, so quite happy to jump on that one. Again, it is a 2-point target. The 2-point did come up before the black line or the resistance level, so quite happy to jump on that. As it turns out, it actually ran on to over 5 points worth of profit. However, only a very, very aggressive trader would have actually traded it through that black line. So we'll only take that as 2 points or as a 10% return. Now, we got up here and we actually didn't get a sell to go back the other way because we didn't have the MACD or the red line down the bottom. Now, we don't take continuation buy signals into big black lines, as you already know. So as a result, that black line there isn't, or that black arrow is a no trade. Then we get a first against the trend. Now, as you know with first against the trends, we don't take those either. We don't take those either, particularly if it's first against a massive uptrend like what we've had there. So we wait, and again we wait for the stair stepping to be broken, which is exactly what occurred. So we have no further got an uptrend. Now, moved across till we picked up this big picture sell signal. Really good fun, because the big picture sell signal was off a very strong level of resistance. What happened? That big picture sell actually ran down to 3 and 4 points respectively. Now, because we were in a buy bias tonight, most conservative traders would have had a profit target of around about 3 points on that trade. Now, 3 points on the trade again was achieved quite happily. You'll note that it was also achieved at the same time that we got a double DS fatigue under 10. So the double DS fatigue under 10, what does that mean? It actually means that you'll be taking your profit off the table anyway. So only a 3-pointer, or around about a 15% return. All in all, first 2 hours of the trading session, daylight saving has changed. Hence, you'll note 6 to 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. What does it mean? Just on a 25% return was up for grabs. If you were trading aggressively, then of course you could have returned a lot more with a 5-pointer and a 4-pointer. But we didn't do that, ladies and gents, tonight, and as a result, just on a 25% return. So there we go. We don't think the tick chart change has made much of a difference. We'll continue to watch it. I'll continue to update you on a daily basis, and we'll go from there. Thank you, ladies and gents, and bye for now.